Try this again. I'm gonna walk to the street. I'm in some pajama bottoms and a hoodie. Dumb too. Crap. Oh shit! This is the street. It doesn't look like any snowplows came up or down the street. Nor does it look like it's gonna happen anytime soon. I figured the wind's about a good, let me test that out. 10 to 15 miles an hour blowing southwest. I don't know. We'll see. Pretty ridiculous out here. Now I got snow all in my shoes. My car looks messed up. Look at my ride. Oh man. It's all jacked. It's dark, you really can't see. Ooh, I got a flash on here, don't I? How you turn that on? There we go. Now we in business. Shit, it's bad. Oh, dang, the garbage done fell over. It's all bogus. It's not even that cold out here. Okay, I lied. Holy shit. If I don't make it, tell my mom I love her.